A storm is brewing over the world's second-largest economy. China's manufacturing engine, once the envy of the world, is collapsing. Factories are shutting their doors. Workers are being laid off in staggering numbers. And at the heart of it all, a deepening US-China trade war that's reshaping global industries. For decades, China was the world's factory floor, producing everything from electronics to textiles. But today, things have changed dramatically. Tariffs, sanctions, and a crumbling domestic economy have started to dismantle this giant machine. The US-China trade war delivered the first major blow. Billions of dollars worth of tariffs forced American companies to rethink their reliance on Chinese manufacturing. Many firms moved operations to countries like Vietnam, India, and Mexico, leaving Chinese factories deserted. Today, massive layoffs have become the new normal across China's industrial belt. According to recent estimates, millions of factory workers have lost their jobs, many with little hope of finding new ones. The dream of economic security that manufacturing once offered is rapidly fading. Entire industrial parks once buzzing with activity now stand eerily silent. Small and medium-sized factories, squeezed by rising costs, weaker demand, and harsh international competition, are shutting down at an unprecedented rate. Even large manufacturers are feeling the pressure, slashing output and cutting their workforce to survive. China's manufacturing collapse is not just a local crisis, it's a global shockwave. Consumers around the world are already seeing higher prices and longer delays. And the longer the US-China tensions drag on, the deeper the wounds will become for China and for the global economy. The world is watching as China's once mighty manufacturing sector faces an uncertain future. The question remains, can China reinvent itself before it's too late? If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on global economics and trade news.